Welcome to the Health, Balance, and Wellness channel, your oasis of peace. Taking care of your kidneys through diet is a fundamental preventive measure, one that is too often overlooked. The kidneys perform vital functions. They filter blood, eliminate waste, regulate fluid and mineral balance, and help maintain blood pressure. Despite this crucial role, many daily dietary habits can put them under pressure without us realizing it. Preventing the onset of kidney disease is much simpler and less painful than dealing with consequences such as kidney stones, chronic renal failure, or other complications. Once kidney function is compromised, there is no turning back. These conditions are progressive and often irreversible. Before we move on, I'd like to ask you to support our work. But let's get back to the video. Adopting healthy eating habits early is an important investment in your health. Some general advice applies to everyone. Drink enough water throughout the day, eat at least 5 servings of fruit and vegetables daily, favor whole grains, and prioritize plant-based proteins from legumes and their derivatives. At the same time, it's important to limit your consumption of animal proteins, especially those from red meat and processed meats, as they're high in salt and preservatives. But what are the specific foods that put our kidneys most at risk? We can identify 2 main categories: excess sugar and salt. Both, if consumed habitually and uncontrolled, can create dangerous imbalances. Sweets, packaged snacks, industrial biscuits, and sugary baked goods are foods that should be consumed with extreme caution. This isn't just a matter of weight or diabetes risk, but also of kidney health. These products often contain syrups such as fructose or glucose-fructose, which are widely used in the food industry. Excess fructose, in particular, is one of the factors that can lead to increased blood uric acid levels, a parameter linked to the onset of painful conditions such as gout. Furthermore, excessive sugar consumption promotes the development of diabetes, which in turn is closely linked to kidney damage. There is even a specific condition, diabetic nephropathy, which is a major cause of chronic kidney failure. The other major category of risky foods is those containing too much sodium. Our bodies require a minimal amount of salt to function properly, but modern diets tend to significantly exceed this threshold. The kidneys, which are responsible for regulating minerals and water balance, are thus forced to work overtime. Over time, this overload can lead to hypertension, water retention, and progressive weakening of kidney function. For a healthy diet, the basic rules remain the same. Limit sugar and salt, choose fresh foods, vary protein sources, and drink plenty of fluids. However, those who already suffer from kidney failure must follow a much more specific and delicate approach. In these cases, it's never advisable to improvise or rely on a do-it-yourself approach. It's essential to consult nutrition professionals, such as nutritionists or dietitians, who work closely with your nephrologist. The diet for those with kidney failure varies depending on the stage of the disease. Initially, it may be sufficient to restrict certain food categories, but as the disease progresses, the restrictions become more targeted and rigorous. It's often necessary to reduce not only animal proteins, but the overall amount of protein consumed each day. Furthermore, it's important to carefully monitor certain micronutrients, particularly potassium and phosphorus, which can accumulate in the blood if the kidneys are no longer functioning properly. Even the choice of vegetables or cooking methods can make a difference, which is why only a specialist can provide precise and reliable advice. The 5 foods to avoid to protect your kidneys. To make a more practical list, we can identify 5 foods or food categories that would be best to limit, especially if you want to preserve long-term kidney health. Industrial sweets. They are the kidney's main enemies, not so much because of homemade desserts made with simple ingredients, but because of packaged products rich in sugars, refined flours, saturated fats, and additives. Industrially made snacks, biscuits, and cookies increase the risk of diabetes and therefore diabetic nephropathy. Furthermore, their high-calorie content contributes to weight gain, another risk factor for kidney health. Cold cuts and processed meats. Cured meats and cured meats are very high in salt and often contain preservatives such as sodium nitrates and nitrites, substances that significantly tax the kidneys. It's important to remember that the sodium consumed through these foods adds to the sodium we already consume throughout the day, creating an excessive burden. Limiting cured meats and processed meats is therefore a healthy choice not only for the kidneys, but also for the cardiovascular system. Industrial fried foods. They're not just harmful to those with existing kidney problems. Packaged and often frozen fried foods are pro-inflammatory for everyone. In addition to containing low-quality oils, they tend to be loaded with salt and additives, creating a mix that puts the body under strain and, in the long term, can also affect kidney health. Packaged fruit juices. Many consider them a healthy alternative to sugary drinks, but that's actually not the case. Most commercial juices contain little real fruit and a large amount of added sugars, fructose, colorings, and preservatives. Regularly drinking these products means consuming excess sugars, which, as already mentioned, can contribute to metabolic and kidney problems. It's better to opt for fresh fruit or, at the very least, freshly squeezed juices. Aged cheeses. They represent another dangerous source of salt. Cheeses, especially those with long aging, accumulate significant amounts of sodium, which adds to the amount already present in the diet. This doesn't mean eliminating them completely, but consuming them in moderation, following the guidelines that recommend including them no more than a couple of times a week as a source of protein. Conclusion: kidney health depends on the daily choices we make at the table. There's no need for excessive sacrifices or complicated diets. Often, it's enough to limit certain foods and choose simpler, more natural ones. Drinking enough water, making room for fresh fruits and vegetables, varying protein sources, favoring plant-based ones, and reducing sugar and salt. These are the basic rules anyone can adopt. For those without kidney disease, this is a preventative approach that significantly reduces the risk of developing future problems. For those already suffering from kidney failure, the situation becomes more complex and requires the support of specialized professionals who can tailor the diet based on the stage of the disease and individual needs. Ultimately, taking care of your kidneys means paying attention to what you put on your plate every day. A simple gesture that can make the difference between living a healthy life and risking chronic and painful complications. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not replace medical advice. If you have any questions, please contact your doctor. If you like our videos, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any upcoming content. See you in the next video.